The one-year Diploma in Garden Design course provides a thorough training, enabling you to enter garden design at a professional level. It's an intensive year-long course, which will require commitment and will enable you to achieve high standards in a relatively short time. You'll be introduced to the design method primarily through residential garden projects that increase in complexity as the course progresses. You will be tutored by professional designers in studio, supported with lectures covering aesthetic and practical issues by renowned garden design professionals. You will learn to approach problem solving in a professional manner using the survey analysis design method. You'll develop core skills and understanding through a comprehensive lecture program that supports and extends your project work. Throughout the diploma course, you will develop contemporary visualization skills, both manual and computer-based, so that on completion you have a comprehensive portfolio and the confidence to enter the garden design marketplace. Inchbold fosters a continuing relationship with graduates through portfolio consultations, internships and work placements, and career advice, both during the course and on into professional life.